Hi guys, welcome back to Urban Tech AR. Today we are going to unbox NU Republic Starboy Bluetooth wireless earphones. This comes out of this sort of boxing, and this is imported by Alchemy Camera Private Limited and Kalanjali Extension Delivered, and color is black, and quantity for one on ear Bluetooth headset and one USB cable for charging, and one quick startup guide and one aux cable. And this price is 3000 and cost me around 1200 in Amazon. And this is the box, and these are specifications of NU Republic Bluetooth headset. Connectivity: wireless headphones, Bluetooth 4.2, HSP, HFP, and A2DP and AVRCP protocols. Distance range up to 10 meters. Audio: drivers dynamic neodymium drivers, magnet driver, impedance 32 ohms, and built-in microphone for hand-free calling, and 3.5 mm auxiliary input. Features: playtime up to 8 hours, standby time up to 200 hours, charging system micro USB, and indicators on iOS, controls on ear cups, passive noise cancellation in box, Starboy wireless headphone, 3.5 mm cable, and quick start guide. And this side, and here shows the headphones. They look like this, and on the other side, wireless headphones 4.2 neodymium drivers, 8 hours auxiliary input, passive noise cancellation, and this brand NU Republic. And let's unbox it, and we'll unbox this package. Guys, look at this. Wow, it's awesome. And the color which I ordered is black one. And this is the 3.5 mm jack, and this is the microphone, and this is micro USB charging port, and this is the power on off button, and this is the volume up and down buttons. Okay, and this is spongy. Let's keep it aside. And what's the content in the box? Let's see that. And they'll give you 3.5 mm jack and micro USB cable and NU Republic's user manual, and the model is BM1011, and these are paperwork must be read. Let's keep it aside, and we'll power it on, and the blue indicators indicate the Bluetooth is ready to pair, and we want to pair in this mobile like this. Go to Bluetooth and switch on the Bluetooth, and they'll show you anything, and just scan for devices, tap scan for devices. It automatically scans the device, and the blue indicator and red indicator indicates. And let's see in the phone. Where is that? A new Starboy. We found that. When the red indicator stops blinking and the blue indicator starts blinking, the device is ready for use. And let's play some non-copyrighted songs. NCS. And through aux cable we can connect this and you can listen to the music. NCS. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech ER. Thank you and bye bye.